Okay, it is now the blizzard of 2010, and this is our first outgoing with the Murphy. He's christening the snow. What he's looking at is the snow dude over there. I believe he's over there. Trying to clean up our mess. There goes Murphy, hippity hop. Come on, let's go. Stuck. Come on, Murphy. Come on. Come on. Oh, apparently I'm breaking the snow for him. It's like snowball snow though, so he's staying right on top. It's pretty deep down there. And I'm still not at the ground. This one's for Alan because he doesn't believe me.